In this video, I'm going to show you how to trade gold on Plus500. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to sign into your account, and whenever you do that, you want to go to search our instruments up top, and you want to type in gold. Now, of course, you could also search it over here on the left where it says most popular, and if you scroll down, you can see there's like gold over here, so you can click on that, and then on here you can see you have gold. So in here you have the buy and sell options just like this, as you can see, and then you have the buy and sell here at the bottom as well. So these are going to open up the exact same side panel, which is this panel over here on the right. And of course, you can use the buy or sell, whatever you want to do. And trading consists of buying and selling, so it's up to you whichever one you want to take. Now, as you can see right now, the market is closed and only orders are accepted. So of course, I'm going to do that right now. But if the orders, of course, if the market was open right now, it would allow me to actually trade right now. But you get the point, it's pretty much going to be the same thing. So whenever you find gold over here, you can of course go and basically select how many troy ounces you want. So this is basically the main currency it uses, so troy ounces. You could go and select. I'm going to do 0.30 for example. 0.15 is the least you could do, and then here you can close at profit if you wanna. You can close at loss if you want to as well, and then you have some advanced options which are like trailing stops, and then you could also buy at a specific rate. So I'm not going to play with this right now, and I'm going to just click on place order, and whenever you do this, your order is going to be placed, and then of course you'll be able to trade the gold that way. You can keep buying and selling, and that way you are currently of course trading gold. So that's how to do this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.